This 3/8 inch 3-lined LegiLiner is a rolling stamp that uses refillable ink, and it's also smudge resistant. And what it does is it lets you easily add writing supports to any classroom writing work in the moment. Just like that. As a school-based OT, I work with a lot of kids that struggle with handwriting organization issues, and this lets me or the teacher or the student add these supports without a ruler and without remaking the worksheet. So instead of saying, hey, write in here, if you have somebody that struggles with organization and just needs some lines, you can quickly add those lines. The stamps don't always roll perfectly straight, but I think they make up for this in how easy they are to use in the moment. Writing lines help kids see where to write and how big to write. And you'll notice these lines are a little bit smaller than you typically see 3 lines, so these would be more appropriate for older students in upper elementary grades. This is a simple way to individualize your classroom writing work. I think every classroom needs one of these. I would recommend, and I will continue to use them.